Hey everyone, welcome back. People can't hear in Roblox even though your voice chat is on or your microphone is completely silent in a Roblox game. Here's the fix all from your iPhone settings. First, go to the iPhone settings on your phone. Scroll down to find Roblox in the app list or just directly search for it. Once you see it, tap on it. You'll see a microphone permission on the screen. Make sure it is switched on. If it says off, Roblox cannot access your mic at all, regardless of any other settings. After turning microphone permissions on, check your iPhone's physical mute switch on the left side of your phone. If it's an orange line showing, your iPhone is on silent mode. That does not block the mic, but check it anyways. Now, open the Roblox and then go to the settings. Now, go to privacy and make sure voice chat is enabled. Inside a game, tap microphone icon on the screen to mute or unmute yourself. Some games start you muted by default. If people still can't hear you, all of these issues might be that you are too far from your phone. Hold the phone closer to your face when speaking, and that's it. All you gotta do is go to iPhone store settings, then go to Roblox, then microphone, turn it on, voice chat enable in Roblox settings, unmute yourself in the game, hold phone closer, people will hear you, and that's it. Subscribe.